Stuck lid on Ninja Blast? Easy way to remove it. If the lid on your Ninja Blast won't budge, don't force it. Here's the safe way to pop it off without damaging anything. 1. Don't twist when it's under pressure. Blending thicker drinks or frozen fruit can create suction under the lid. If you try to twist it immediately after blending, it may feel stuck. Wait 30 seconds to let the pressure equalize before trying again. 2. Use a gentle rock and twist. Hold the cup firmly and rock the lid side to side while applying light upward pressure. Once it gives a little, twist gently to release. 3. Run the lid under warm water. If it's still stuck, try running just the lid area under warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. This can loosen any sticky residue or break the seal. 4. Check for residue. Under the rim. Food buildup or dried smoothie mix can glue the lid down. Clean around the lid threads and inner rim using a narrow brush. We've linked a set that works well for this. Still stuck? Contact Ninja Support with the link in the description. And if you want an easier way to clean around tight lid seams, check out the brush set we've linked below. If this helped you get the lid off, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.